my name is Hailey and I am a staff engineer here at Intelligent Concrete, and today I'm going to be talking about my greatest passion, sustainability, and specifically sustainability as it pertains to concrete and transportation work. So, as some of you may know, I have my Greenroads certification. Greenroads International is a sustainable transportation certification system that quite a few projects in the United States are now getting certified, and it's really exciting because this is a way to quantitatively determine how sustainable your project is and or make it even more sustainable and better for the environment. So today I'm going to be going over one of the 7 categories that are in Greenroads, and the first one is really just the project requirements. So these 12 things that you have to do or perform in order for your project to be even considered for a Greenroads accreditation, so to be considered a sustainable project. So let's jump right into them. So number 1, you must evaluate the ecological impacts of the project through an informed decision-making process. Number 2, you must perform an energy and carbon footprint. So you must disclose energy and emissions information for the project's construction materials, activities, and lifetime maintenance. Number 3, low-impact development. You must evaluate the feasibility of low-impact stormwater management practices on the project. Number 4, social impact analysis. You must evaluate the social and community impacts of the project through an informed decision-making process. Number 5, community engagement. You must have a process in place to involve all community, agency, and business stakeholders in project decision-making. Number 6, life cycle cost analysis. You must evaluate financial impacts of the project through an informed decision-making process. Number 7, quality control. You must have a process in place to monitor and manage quality of the project's construction activities. Number 8, pollution prevention. You must have a process in place to monitor and prevent pollution from the project's construction activities. Number 9, waste management. You must have a process in place to monitor and manage waste materials generated from the project's construction activities. Number 10, noise and glare control. You must have a process in place to monitor and manage disturbance to the project's surroundings due to construction activities. Number 11, utility conflict analysis. You must evaluate the impacts of the project's construction on public and private utilities. And finally, number 12, asset management. You must maintain and preserve all capital assets and environmental quality for the project's service life. So those were the 12 project requirements for a Greenroads certification, and while they might seem daunting, a lot of these things are just evaluations or having plans or processes in place in order to proceed on your project. So a lot of it's probably already happening, so you might as well take a few extra steps to get your project Greenroads certified. Now, Greenroads is something I'm very excited about. Make sure to follow them on social media so you can see more about the awesome things that they're doing, and be sure, as always, to follow Intelligent Concrete on LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ding that bell for notifications. Go Concrete, be asphalt.